Student, today we are going to another topic, that is inverse of matrix. For this, A is given as 2, 3, 1, 2 and B is given as 2 and minus 3, minus 1 and 2. Now I will first find out A into B. You already know how to multiply. First I will take this R1 and multiply this by column. So I will get 2 into 2. 3 into minus 1, okay, write down here, then 2 into minus 3, okay, 3 into 2 will come. Row multiply with column, then second row multiply with first column, 1 into 2, 2 into minus 1, okay. Now 1 into minus 3 will come here, plus 2 into 2 is 4 will come here. Now by solving this, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 3 into 2 is 6, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 2 2 ja 4 will come. Now simplifying this, 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now I will get A into B is equal to identity matrix. Now I will multiply B into A. What is B? What is the row of B is 2 and 3. Now this is multiplied by with this, and a 2, this row is multiplied by this column and this row is multiplied by this column. Okay. Now 2 into 2 will come here. Then minus 3 into 3 will come, minus 3 into 1 will come here, plus minus 3 into 1, okay. For this, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, again 3 into 2, minus 3 into 2, okay. Now I am going to second row, minus 1 multiplied by again 2, minus 1 multiplied by 2 plus, okay, minus 1 into 2 हो गया और 2 multiplied by 1. Now again I am going to this one, 3 into minus 1 will come here and 2 into 2 will come here. Now simplify this. What will come here? 4 minus 3, 6 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 will come, minus 3 plus 4 will come here. On simplifying this, I will get again 1 0 0 1. This implies that B into A is also identity matrix. This implies A into B is equal to B into A, implying A is equal to B inverse or B is equal to A inverse. Okay? You understand this one? Now we are going to solve another problem. Find which of the following matrices are invertible. Means you have to find out, invertible means inverse, exist or not exist. For this you know how to find this one. For the inverse you have to take the determinant of the given matrix. Okay. The first problem is A is equal to 2 1 4 2. Now the determinant of A is equal to, now I am writing in the determinant form 2 1 4 2. Now I simplify this determinant, that is 2 into 2, okay. Then substitute minus sign, 4 1 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, minus 4 means that is equal to 0. Means determinant of A is equal to 0. Okay. Determinant of A is 0. Therefore this implies that A is singular A is singular, therefore A inverse does not exist. ओके, अगर जीरो आ गया तो इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट होता है क्या? नहीं होता है. Therefore you have to find out first the determinant of the given matrices. Now we will go to the another problem, that here B is equal to cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and cos theta. For this also I will start with determinant of B. Okay, is equal to determinant of cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and cos theta. Okay, now again I will simplify this one. What will come here? Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Okay, substitute minus sign between, then minus sin theta into sin theta is minus sin square theta. Now what will come here? Cos square theta plus sin square theta will come here, and you already know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, means determinant of B is not equal to क्या आया है? 0. Determinant of B is not equal to 0. Therefore B is non-singular. Therefore B inverse exists. Okay, now we are going to start the problem number 3. C is equal to 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 is given. Again I will solve this by determinant by taking the determinant of C. Okay, I am writing this one. 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now I will start solving this determinant. I will write down 1. Okay, I will multiply this. 1 into 3 is 3 minus 4. Okay, for middle is minus sign. Then I will multiply 3 3 ja 9, minus 2 1 ja 2. Now I am writing the third 2. What will come inside the bracket? 3 2 ja 6, minus 1 1 ja 1 will come here. Okay, then by simplifying this, 1 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, 2 into 5 will come here. What is the value? This is minus 1, minus 21. Okay, plus 10. What will come here? 22 minus 12 is minus 12 will come here. Okay, determinant of C is equal to minus 12 is coming, means which is not equal to 0. Again, the determinant of C is not equal to 0, implies C is non-singular. The inverse of C is exists. C inverse exists. You understand all these problems?